We really have a choice here. There are 6 elevators, like I kid you not. There's literally 3 there and 3 there, and they just keep on going. So we kind of have a choice. I think we're gonna do these since they're the closest ones. I'm not gonna bother with any of the ones over there because they're all pretty much identical, so I'm not gonna bother riding every single elevator here. So we'll just do one. Looks like we're gonna get this one. That's cool.
Going up.
All right, here we go. 4-speed door. Oh, there's a normal indicator over there. And then there's a LCD one. Cool.
Going down.
I don't know if these are the exact ones I rode. It's probably not. Down we go. This one's bigger than the other ones I saw.
Floor 0.
These are big door. Innovation Bruiser, installed by KONE.
Going up.
6,500 pound capacity. Look at how many there are. It's 3, and then there's literally 3 more over there. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.